Alright, so let's say that your arrow keys aren't working in Excel. Now typically when you hit the down arrow or the right arrow or whichever arrow key on your keyboard, you'll notice that it will switch in between cells and I can navigate with the arrow keys. However, sometimes you might find yourself hitting an arrow key and it's going to scroll down or scroll to the right rather than navigate in between different cells. Now that is more than likely because you have the scroll lock on your computer. So look on your keyboard and find scroll lock, typically labeled SCRLK. And if you're not seeing that on your keyboard, you can go down to your search bar here and type on screen keyboard. Select that. And then this will appear and you'll notice that we have the scroll lock enabled. So simply unselect that and then you can exit out of this. And now with the arrow keys, you can navigate in between cells. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you. And just have such a great rest of your day.